drive across the Mississippi River here. To my right is Minneapolis. I'm gonna take an exit, then I'll drive through downtown Minneapolis. Still, most buildings here are part of University of Minnesota. This is downtown Minneapolis. You can see tall buildings to my left. Probably you can't see them from here. The Minnesota Vikings plays football at that stadium. You can only see the top. That's US Bank Stadium. It's downtown Minneapolis. You can see a lot of residential buildings here. That's a courthouse, I think. Federal. And that's downtown Minneapolis. It's a hotel, Four Seasons. Old building right there. This here is a new building. Just got constructed recently. You can see old buildings here. This is Old Town, Minneapolis. Lots of old buildings. You can see that both sides of the street. Very old buildings. They call this warehouse district. They have bars, nightclubs, and all that. City of Minneapolis warehouse district. Most buildings are pretty old. don't see a lot of people walking. It's only 47 degrees outside, so it's not that cold by Minnesota standards. Now I'm driving away from downtown St. Paul. Sorry, driving away from downtown Minneapolis. Thank you so much for joining me here. I'll be driving on the Interstate 94, which connects or goes through Minnesota from North Dakota, goes through Wisconsin, Illinois, and beyond. This is North Minneapolis, very dangerous neighborhood. One of the most dangerous neighborhoods in Minnesota, North Minneapolis. The houses are over there. Once again, thank you so much for joining me here, driving from St. Paul to Brookings Center through downtown Minneapolis. We'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourself, subscribe, support the work. Peace out.